Alrighty, we're at the cave. This little place out there in, what's this, Landor or Landon, something like that. But
Give me a minute. I'll tell you exactly where we're at.
cute. It's like a biker stop. They got goats. They got goats. Why don't you big bikers fall in love with goats?
Cave Bar and Grill.
Cave Bar and Grill. No, it's not Knoll. We're out of Knoll.
No. It says,
Yeah, Knoll.
it says no.
There's Knoll. Look. At the critters. They got big horns down there. Neat place.
You like that head scratching, don't you, buddy?
Oh yeah, goats love their heads getting scratched. Yeah, that or it'll try to butt the shit out of you for it. My aunt raised goats.
Really?
Oh yeah. Milk them suckers crazy. They're good to eat.
What is that?
It's your baby goats. Pretty big area. See what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 8. There's more up here. A whole bunch up here too. Oh, there's another bighorn one up there. Yeah. Yeah. I know you got something in your hand, y'all. Look at that tongue go ahead. La 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 la.
Here, baby.
Oh. Come on, get some goat. Yep, yep. You gotta give them the food. That's what it is. Here, Lisa, give them some food.
Fins, huh?
Yeah, look out. Oh my God.
Here, give them some food.
Up here they're coming. They're all coming down and they see the food.
Yeah, they're looking for the food. Oh, they'll stick their head right through the gate.
Look at that baby one trying to come to my
Here it comes.
Quick.
Yeah, it's all gone.
Yeah, with the big one.
He gets some goats. He gets some goat slobbers.
Here's Slobber.
Oh, that's neat. Come here. I only had 1 quarter. That's it. That's all I had. Yeah. Yeah, they have a restaurant inside. It's cool. Check out the cave. They got a big door here. Yep. And this is the inside. Cool. Yeah, give it a minute. Sweet.
We may have to eat up there.
Yeah, I might have to eat out there. Don't bring me there now. What's this? Alrighty. This is the Cave Bar and Grill. It's definitely a biker hangout. Nice place to ride to. Food, so-so. It was alright. Wasn't the best. Waited a long time. A little slow on service. But it was alright.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, You look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your